Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in south central Wisconsin, where a 131 PTO horsepower International 1086 tractor with a powered front wheel assist axle is harvesting corn with a New Holland FP240 forage harvester and GHEL 970 forage wagon. In this video, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this corn chopping team in action. The Model 1086 was introduced by International Harvester on September 11, 1976, as part of the company's all-new Pro Ag series of tractors that included 6 models ranging from 90 to 161 PTO horsepower. These machines were manufactured in Rock Island, Illinois, at the Farmall plant from 1976 through 1981. The 1086 working in this video is a 1981 model. It features tri-stripe decals which were unique to that production year. Often when International Harvester was preparing for the retirement of a tractor series and preparing for the introduction of a new one, they would freshen up the tractors with a new decal. From model year 1976 through model year 1980, the 86 series featured a white decal. The 1086 is powered by a 6.8-liter International Harvester DT414 turbocharged 6-cylinder liquid-cooled 414 cubic inch engine rated at 131 PTO horsepower, and it's fitted with a 63-gallon diesel fuel tank. It could be ordered with an additional 22-gallon auxiliary fuel tank. This machine features an International Harvester torque amplifier transmission with 16 forward and 8 reverse speeds. It can travel from 1.5 up to 20.5 miles per hour. When the two-wheel drive version of this tractor rolled off the assembly line, it weighed in at 12,300 pounds. The front-wheel assist version weighed in at 13,765 pounds, and the 1086 can be field weighted up to 15,715 pounds. During its 5-year production run, the 1086 was the most popular model in the International 86 series, with a total of 47,420 units produced. The front-wheel assist version of this tractor was not commonly ordered. It had an original price tag of $40,032. The two-wheel drive model had a price tag of $35,715 when it was new. A front-wheel assist tri-stripe 1086 is a fairly rare variation of the machine to come across. The most common version of this tractor is the two-wheel drive pre-1981 model featuring the white side panels. Here we can see one chopping corn stalks in Wisconsin with an International 60 flail shredder. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this International 1086 tractor chopping corn. I would like to hear in the comment section below the video if you use International tractors on your farm or if you have an all-time favorite red tractor. If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional content featuring International Harvester farm machinery, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to 2 more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.